Hey, what's up? It's John Tattersall from johntattersall.com and welcome to my Affiliate Marketing Magic Review. Now, this is an information and training product from Dawood Islam, a very experienced marketer and one of the top sellers on Warrior Plus. Now, Affiliate Marketing Magic has a launch date on the 19th of February at 9 AM EST. This is a training program that takes a deep dive into the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, both for new people experimenting with affiliate marketing for the first time and also catering for the intermediate level marketer. There are nuggets of valuable information in here to provide value for everyone, irrespective of experience. Confused about where to start with affiliate marketing? Then don't be. With Affiliate Marketing Magic, all of that is about to change. In this review video, I'm going to take you through Affiliate Marketing Magic, and I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that you should pick up and whether this will help you on your journey to full understanding of what affiliate marketing is all about. I will also give you my view of the pros and cons of the training and also take you through the upsells. In addition, I've got some very strong bonuses given to me that will enhance your experience and achieve success with Affiliate Marketing Magic, should you decide to pick it up via my link. And also I will show you a tremendous set of additional bonuses that the vendor has given me should you decide to invest in finding out the success formula for affiliate marketing. I will show you these special bonuses next when I go onto the bonus page, so stick with me. All of my bonuses are available should you click below through my link down below in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it will take you straight to my bonus page, which looks like this. So here we are now on the bonus page. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is this yellow button here at the top of the bonus page. This bonus page comes down at 11:59 PM on EST on Sunday, February the 21st. So if you want to pick this up along with the bonuses I'm about to go through, then you need to click on this yellow button here in order to be able to grab Affiliate Marketing Magic along with all the following bonuses. So just scrolling down the page quickly. So this is about transforming your results with affiliate marketing as if by magic. So the time for failure is over. What is it all about? You'll learn the secrets of affiliate marketing success, you'll build up your authority, and you'll also improve your Warrior Plus score. Now, your Warrior Plus score is the thing that gets you your link if you want to promote a product. The lower your score, or if you've no score, then the more difficult it is to actually get the link to be able to promote various products through Warrior Plus. So the idea is that you build your score up, and then you're more likely to get approval to promote an affiliate product. So you get all of this, 15 completely free traffic generation methods. It's a step-by-step, easy to follow videos. There's a lot of additional and supplementary training and resources. You don't really need any tech skills. It's good for people first starting out, but also for people who are more experienced, and it is newbie friendly. Each method has been tested by experts, and all these methods will work in 2021. You've then got the upsells, so I'll go through each of those quite quickly. So the first one, which is the front end, Affiliate Marketing Magic at $12.95. This gives you access to the powerful Marketing Magic training and the software to be able to become successful. Upsell number 2 is the Affiliate Marketing Magic Merlin version, and this is where you can actually multiply your results tenfold because you get insights and more strategic training that will help you become more successful. So that's worthwhile picking up at $37. You've then got upsell number 2, which is a magic box of tricks done for you, $197. So this is squeeze pages already done for you, solo ads already done for you, and members to 25 of his own membership sites in the making money online niche. You can also place your banner permanently on his 25 sites, plus enjoy VIP upgrades. So that's something to consider, upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is Reseller Rights at $37. So you get the reseller rights to Affiliate Marketing Magic, so you can sell it as if it's your own product, and you can keep all of the commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4 is the done for you weekly campaigns at $97. So you get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week, which includes done for you bonus pages with review video and product demo as well, and 10 custom bonuses. Now the only caveat on this is that you will require Commission Gorilla in order to be able to make this work for you, and there is a price associated with Commission Gorilla, so you need to bear that in mind if you want to pick up upsell number 4. Upsell number 5, this is where you get a really unique opportunity if you're quick off the mark, because it only applies to 5 people. You can potentially launch a product of your own along with Dawud. So obviously, because of his standing in the marketplace, with pairing up with somebody of that stature in affiliate marketing, it's going to give you more probability of success when you launch your own product. But bear in mind that's limited to 5 people, and it's not cheap at $597, but there is an opportunity there for the first 5 people who want to pick that up. So some additional benefits: you can transform your affiliate marketing results. You can become a super affiliate if you put all of this stuff into practice. This means that you will probably never struggle to get traffic again, because traffic builds your email list. Email list equates to being able to sell more products, so the two are interchangeable. No tech skills are needed, and you'll always get approval to promote. Not sure that's strictly true, I have to say. You're more likely to get the opportunity to promote products, but some marketeers are very, very fussy about who they allow to promote their products. So whether you'll always get approval, not too sure on that, but you will get full video training, and that's provided within it. So there's a demo video there from Dawud just explaining how the whole thing works, and it shows you the members page, but I will go through the members page in a bit more detail next. And remember, click one of these yellow buttons if you want the bonuses. So the first bonus, which is Conversion Equalizer, that's been given to me to pass on to you. This is a product where it enables you to be able to increase your conversion levels. You're able to identify which keywords are working for you in your campaigns and which are not, and to be able to swap them around and then use the data that this program generates in order to make better keyword decisions, which should equate to more sales. Bonus number 2 is a digital product business blueprint. This is a end-to-end structured approach to be able to build a blueprint for success in terms of being able to launch digital products and be able to do that successfully. Bonus number 3 is being able to crush it on YouTube, because all of the affiliate marketing that's recommended in Affiliate Marketing Magic is driven by promoting products and making videos, which subsequently then go on to YouTube. And YouTube, the algorithm that YouTube uses, no one really can with certainty say this is exactly how it works, but there are certain things that you need to do above and beyond just loading your video onto YouTube, which have a direct bearing on the ranking of your video and how successful you're likely to be from promoting on YouTube. And crushing it with YouTube takes you through all of that. And then the final bonus that I've got to be able to give you is the CPA coffee shop method. So this derives its name from the fact that it's a very quick process for using CPA techniques to be able to promote products. And you don't actually have to promote products, you just really need to get people to click on your link, but it shows you how to do all of this. And the idea is it's so quick and simple to use that you can literally do it from a coffee shop anywhere in the world, because the system is that simple to pick up and do it. But you've got to do it well, so it's not just a matter of doing it, you've got to know what you're doing, and this program takes you through all of that. And then you've got the bonuses that are provided by Dawud himself, and I'll go through that when I go through the members area page. So that's it for the bonus page. So the only thing to remember is if you want to pick this up, click on one of the yellow buttons. Just so you know, when you purchase this product and you're going to Warrior Plus to download the main product, which is done through this green button here, you will also then have a blue button underneath it, which gives you the opportunity then to pick up these bonuses. So that's where you access the bonuses. So I'll now move over to the members area and take you through that. Okay, so here we are now in the Affiliate Marketing Magic members area. Also, normal layout, you've got the videos tend to be here on the right hand side, and then the menu to access all the various parts and components of this program on the left hand side. I'm not going to take you through every one of those sections because I don't want to give away everything that's in here. So welcome video from Dawood explaining what the whole of the program is about and what to expect from it. You've then got 3 option buttons underneath here in blue. The first one is you can register for 100k per month free training, which is a training webinar run by a top 7-figure affiliate. So Dawood explains about that. You've then got the opportunity to join the Elite Tigers group, which is a YouTube channel set up, and you've also got a Facebook Elite Tigers Facebook group, which you can also get access to as well. So Dawood explains how all of those works. You've then got the overview of the course, which again is another video, short video. And then in the main training section, you've got an introduction to the training, understanding the magic. I'm not going to go through all of these, you can see them, just various components. Each of those is a video which takes you through the various things. And you then go into the resource section where various resources are shared with you. There's a conclusion video. The main point of the conclusion video is now you've undergone the training, the main thing is to take massive action, so it reinforces that. You've then got the bonus section in terms of how to access your bonuses. Then there is a little bit about the upgrades or the OTOs 1 through to 5, and then the unadvertised bonus there. And you can also search through the course here. So pretty straightforward in terms of layout. Each of these sections here, they take you through the actual training itself, and then it summarizes and concludes at the bottom, and all your bonus information is available here. So that's just a quick run through the members page, so you just get a feel for how it's laid out and what's in it. So here we are now on the sales page. I just quickly want to run through this before I bring this review to a conclusion. So the time for failure is over. I already gone through this earlier on. Here's some of the bullet points that we went through earlier. You've then got another video here by Dawood. It really doesn't need to be like this. If success can really happen just like magic when you learn to crack the secret code. And then it just goes down. It is a typical sales page. The aim of the sales page is to hook you in and obviously try and get you to buy. So commonality on the sales page, benefits, and the detail of what to expect from the course. So it's a wizard of a program, looking by the graphic there. So how does it work? You pick up a copy today before the price goes up again. You follow the simple magic formula inside Affiliate Marketing Magic, and then you rinse and repeat whenever you want to earn more commissions. If only it were that simple. But the principles and the foundations are there, but you've got to learn them in order to be successful. There are some secrets in here, so the good thing about it is, particularly in the Merlin version, there are some nuggets in there that I've not seen before, and I've been through a lot of programs in my career. But the idea is it's on the side of the little guy. In other words, although there's a lot in here for the more experienced person, there is a definite pitch towards people who are fairly new, and everything is really all in one place. So a little bit about Dawood himself. I'm not going to go through that because you can easily go through this yourself when you get on the sales page. Another view, that's the members area video from inside my bonus page. My bonus page then brings you through to this sales page, and all you need to do is click on any of these yellow buttons to get access to this product. There is some earnings evidence there, so this is Dawood's earnings in the last 30 days. What he earned the day before, the last 7 days, and the day itself, and then from 1 month earlier than that. So you can see last month earned $25,362, and then the month before that $22,191. So if you can get to that level of earnings, that makes life very comfortable, I guess. So you get all this, so you fix the things that are stopping you from succeeding. These are easy step-by-step to follow videos. There's lots of free additional training and resources, and I've already said there's some nuggets in there. You don't need any tech skills. It's newbie friendly, and you learn the secret spells that guarantee success. And then you've got the bonuses. I mentioned this in my bonus page. So you've the bonuses that come with this product from Dowd. 7-figure super affiliate training. So it's live training with a 7-figure super affiliate. Then got the private Facebook group. Then you've got a massive product bundle. You get over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketeers. You then got 20 reseller rights for 20 of Dowd's previous products. And then you've got dedicated customer support 24/7. And as with a lot of programs, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you take it for a trial run and you don't like it, you can always get your money back. So there's one of the yellow buttons to click this to pick this up. So I'll just move on to the conclusion. So this brings me to the end of my review for Affiliate Marketing Magic. Now, I did say I would summarise the pros and cons. On the plus side, this training covers all of the fundamental principles of affiliate marketing, and it's explained clearly and concisely. There's a lot of information packed in here, and the experience that Dowd has in this field really shines through. For the price of a small bucket of KFC, and at $12.95, you'll potentially be getting your hands on a product that could fundamentally change your life, showing you tips and tricks that separate out the high echelons of affiliate marketers. Affiliate Marketing Magic levels the playing field in a way by allowing you to use the same methods that only the top influencers have had access to until now. If I were being a bit picky, a lot of this ground has been gone over before in similar products, and in some areas are not covered in enough detail. Having said that, all the relevant information is in one place, so you don't really feel the need to search around for it, and the bonuses plug most of the areas lacking a bit of detail. As I've said, for the price of a bucket of chicken, you really are getting a tremendous amount of value for your money, even if you just pick up the front end. But if you're serious about really learning all the ins and outs of becoming a successful affiliate marketer though, I would definitely consider picking up OTO1, which is the Merlin version, starting at $37. Now this will really supercharge your potential, as the advanced training gives you a number of insights not found elsewhere and can really accelerate your learning curve. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses and also the fantastic bonuses given to me by the vendor. I hope that this review of Affiliate Marketing Magic has been of some use to you, and that it will help you make an informed decision that now is the time to change your life around. So if you're ready, then pick this up via my link below. Please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for watching, and I wish you every success in your making money online education journey. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best.